How to convert Microsoft Word to PowerPoint. Hey there, welcome or welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you wish to convert your Microsoft Word into a PowerPoint, it is very simple. Start off by launching your Microsoft Word in your device. So over here, firstly, you can make some of the adjustments such as setting it as a headline or anything that you need to change. Then click on Ctrl S to save it. Once you have saved it, at the top you will see this downward arrow that is Customize Quick Access Toolbar option. You need to expand here. Then browse through until you see the option of More Command and click on it. Now at the top, you will see this option, choose command from. Expand the option once again and click on all command. Now from here, select on any of this option and tap on the S key from your keyboard. Now once you are in the section of the S alphabet, scroll down until you see the option of send. Now in here, you will see this option send to Microsoft PowerPoint. You can tap on this option and select on the add button. And as you can see, it has been added right over here. Then you can also see some of the save or function that we have conducted in this document. Then click on the OK button. After which you will see this icon right over here, which means send to Microsoft PowerPoint. And if you click on this option, the Microsoft PowerPoint will automatically open up. Make sure you click on the OK button. After which your presentation will be automatically shifted in this location. Isn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.